We're walking into the 2-bedroom at the Pepperland, 1509 East 57th Street. Immediately to the left, there's an open closet here with the bathroom. Fortunately, the lights burn out here in the bathroom, but this was recently updated. It's been about, I think it's been 2 years. This is the first bedroom here to the right. It does look out on 57th Street. Closet there. Living room with a decorative fireplace. Does also have a built-in bookcase. Bedroom number 2 is right off the living room. Walking through the living room is the dining room. A very large space here. And the kitchen. Off the kitchen there is some storage over here. And then also it could be like a dining area or just a storage space. You can make it an office. There's a space there off the kitchen. And then the back stairway, back patio area. Well, again, this 2-bedroom rents for $14.16 per month. The rent includes heat, water, and trash pickup. You would be responsible for electricity and cooking gas.